Mateta ma andu kunyitwo migwate hindi ya mirurungano iria iratabanagio ni mbeu njithi ya kuregana na watho wa kigina makoretwo makirekererio na thirikari ikoretwo igiukirirwo ni gukorwo etumiirie ndeto ino. Na riu uhoro ni ulikitie kuhithuka ati gukinyiria riu andu matanyihire 10 nio matari maramenyekana kuria mari na gikundi kia ambunge ya AZIMIO hamwe na atongoria a ngwataniro ya mawakili LSK ni magwikinyitie wabici-ini cia DCI makienda kumenya kuria andu aya mari na gitumi kiao kunyitwo migwate ni kiriku.
Many people have been abducted, including the son of the Attorney General, who was later released. No one has told us who abducted him, why he was abducted, and the circumstances.
And if anyone thought that by doing that they can scare us, they can pull us together into being cheerleaders, we are not going to do it.
Hamwe na marito maria maheanitwo maria matari maramenyekana kuria mari ni Kelvin Munare, Zadok Nyangare, Hilary Avogui, Brian Zavi, Ian Goba, Dennis Kimani, Wagoi wa Kenyua, Eric Kirima, Kelvin Kiruti na James Kenyua. Nao a Kenya aria maranyititwo migwate ni andu matoikaine no maracoka kurekererio ni hamwe na Joshua Mokaya, Leslie Muturi uria ni mwana wa munene wa watho Justin Muturi, Gabriel Oguda, Ernest Nyerere, Wangila wa Bomba, Nadia Nthia na Shadrack Kiprono.
We urge those who know of families that are missing, please give the names to the Law Society of Kenya, or please give the names to your local member of parliament.
There's a squad out there that their job is to abduct staff belonging to members of parliament, especially those who voted no, those Gen Zs who organize peaceful demonstrations.
So we are left with the question, if the DCI does not know where these people are, who knows where these people are?
Negukoretwo na ciuria nyingi iria cireyumiria ciegie gitumi gia borithi guthie mirurungano-ini methaite na njira ya kumahitha, na riu munene wa borithi ni oritio gutariria gitumi gia gukorwo atumiirie uria mafitha a borithi marang'ethanire na rurungani.
Many of you have witnessed police officers captured on camera executing Kenyans in cold blood.
We have seen the styles of abduction actually being similar to terrorism. How do you have police officers hooded?
And the question that we are asking the Inspector General, are these your police officers, are these Kenya Defence Forces, who are these, that we can raise concerns over the same?
Ruhonge rwa guthingatithia ihoto cia mundu KNHCR hamwe na ruhonge rwa IPOA riu ni cithingatitwo gutabania uthuthuria wa naihenya wa ni atia kurathie nginya ciana cikahurwo rithathi na ningi wigie tharikira ya mafitha borithi mwena wa Githurai guku ambunge aya makiheana mukana wa gutwara mateta mao igoti-ini ria ICC.
We have seen pictures of children with more than 10 bullets. What would a child be able to do in taking over a state house or taking over parliament?
The orders to do the Githurai massacre, we were not told who was solely responsible for giving that order, the shoot to kill order. We need to know.
We need Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, Chair Odede. We need IPOA to immediately move into the spaces where we've had militias being hired to stop protesters, and these families where children have been killed, we need to see them investigating.
We want to tell them that we have a new constitution, we have a judiciary, and we still have the option of the ICC, because some of these crimes are crimes against humanity.
Hadu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wagujiri.